Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to your bank account, updated. Start by opening Coinbase and going to Settings, then Payment Methods to add a bank. Choose either Instant Verification or Manual Microdeposits depending on your bank. For Instant Verification, log into your online banking when prompted and authorize the connection. For microdeposits, enter routing and account numbers, then verify the small amounts sent to your account to finish linking. Open Coinbase, tap Settings, and go to Payment Methods to begin adding your bank account. Pick Add a Payment Method and choose Bank Account, then select Instant Verification if available for the quickest setup. If your bank does not support instant verification, choose Microdeposits and provide routing plus account numbers. Watch for two small deposits in your bank, then enter those exact amounts back in Coinbase to confirm and complete the connection. If linking fails, stay calm and double-check your bank login credentials before trying again on Coinbase. For micro-deposit issues, verify the routing and account numbers you entered and allow a few business days for deposits to appear. Clear cache or try a different browser or the Coinbase mobile app if problems persist. Keep screenshots of errors and reach out to Coinbase support with details if the process stalls, so they can assist promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.